Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file and they say their no fill is not working. Well, if you hit no fill, there is no fill. It is a line. It's a 24-point line. If you go to view and look at that in a wireframe, you can see it's just a line. And also if you're under enhance and you move it, you're moving just a line. It just happens to be a 24-point line. To get this thing to have no fill, you've got to go to object, convert the outline to an object. Then you can left click no fill and right click fill. And you can make it blue by left clicking. You can take away the fill. You can get the smart fill tool and fill it in with whatever color you want, because now it's an object. And if we look, so that's just the fill. If we look at underneath wireframe, now where we just had one line, we have two, because it's an object. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.